Good day to everyone, especially to those ALS learner. I'm here again to share new knowledge that you can use when disaster comes. Today, I will impart some correct practice at home and in school at times of calamities. Things to do and to prepare before disaster. First, pack an emergency preparedness kit. Having an emergency preparedness kit on hand may help you and your family safe during disaster. Store supplies in a large waterproof container near a door or in your garage so you can grab it and find shelter quickly. Second, create and practice a disaster plan. Third, listen to the local officials. Different government agencies that will help in times of calamities. In the RRMC, PNP, DSWD, AFP, DPWH, DOH, PCG, BFP, PRC, and PAG-ASA. The role of National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council or NDRRMC is keeping the country safe from disaster and ensuring quick recovery afterwards. Their task also is to prepare for and respond to natural calamities like typhoon and earthquakes. Next is Philippine Red Cross or PRC. Their task is to deliver humanitarian assistance during emergency and disaster situation. Philippine Coast Guard or PCG. They are the one conducting maritime security operation, safeguarding life and property at sea, and protecting marine environment and resources. Bureau of Fire Protection or BFP, responsible for the prevention and suppression of all destructive fires. Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Service Administration o PAG-ASA. This agency responsible for assessing and forecasting weather, flood, and other conditions essential to the safety and welfare of people. Department of Social Welfare and Development or DSWD. Process of providing relief assistance and basic services to these calamities-stricken areas. Philippine National Police or PNP, deployed for search and rescue operation, road cleaning, and relief operations. To perform public safety operation to save lives in times of calamities. Department of Health or DOH. It is responsible for ensuring access to basic public health services to all Filipinos through the provision of quality health care and regulation of providers of health goods and services. Armed Forces of the Philippines or AFP. They are the key responder in the event of a disaster. Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH is responsible for the planning, design, construction, and maintenance of national highways, major flood control system, and other public works. Remember, we are not alone in times of calamities. Our government agencies are open arms to help us prepare and respond to any disasters. Let's work together to build a safer and stronger nation. That's all mga ka-ALS.